Hello, welcome to the first 6 weeks preview for 7th grade Texas history in Arlington ISD. My name is Keela Bearden and I'm excited to begin the school year sharing with you the curriculum and resources from AISD's instructional focus documents. These IFDs can be found on the 7th grade social studies section on Curriculum Central. As we look at the first 6 weeks for 7th grade Texas history, we see that the Natural Texas and Geography unit requires 9 days of classroom instruction. You should complete geography skills in 4 days, with enough time to complete Regions of Texas by day 9. There are 29 calendar days, 24 instructional days, and 5 flex days. Use your flex days wisely because there will be district assessments across all 4 core classes in the second 6 weeks, drastically reducing the number of flex days you'll have in the second 6 weeks. Bundle 1 in the first unit is called Geography Skills. It's a 4-day bundle and contains just one topic to cover. Students will create and interpret thematic maps, graphs, and charts representing various aspects of Texas. Be thorough with this topic, but don't get hung up. The learning progression in each IFD suggests the key learning targets for the bundle. These targets appear in order throughout the topics for the bundle along with other supporting targets. When planning the instructional focus documents, keep in mind that the learning targets connect to instructional approaches and recommended resources, as you can see in this example. When you get to the recommended resources section, click on the link to directly access the digital resources on your computer. There are formative and summative assessments in every bundle. The summative assessments are ready-to-use tests that can be downloaded directly by clicking the link at the end of the IFD. Bundle 2 of Unit 1 is 5 days and consists of one topic that addresses the 4 regions of Texas. They'll be compared and contrasted by their physical and human characteristics. Check out the 4 regions bow tie graphic organizer in Topic 1. The bow tie activity allows your students opportunities to read, write, and talk about social studies content. Students record their learning about a part of a topic and then share with others in their group. Then, they discuss their learning and consider a central question. For more information about how to use the bow tie strategy, click on the link within a bow tie lesson or go to the instructional tools page in the social studies section of Curriculum Central. Bundle 2 formative and summative assessments are also ready to use as part of the IFD. As the school year is in full swing, you'll begin the Age of Contact unit. In the Age of Contact bundle, you will provide students with an opportunity to explore the indigenous people that lived in Texas prior to European exploration and colonization. And you'll compare the physical and human characteristics of the 4 major cultural groups. Students will also be provided with an opportunity to explore the key issues and events that occurred during the Age of Contact. The first bundle of Unit 2 deals with the 4 major cultural groups of indigenous people living in Texas prior to European exploration. Now that students have an understanding of the Native American cultures, a writing assignment to process content will be the perfect way to compare and contrast among the cultures. This activity is outlined in your IFD. The second bundle of Unit 2 deals with the concept of an era as a period of time and the defining characteristics of the Age of Contact era. The concept of eras will continue to be important throughout the school year, as students will be expected to sequence events over long periods. Bundle 1's highlighted instructional method is the Era Concept Attainment Model, which helps students identify eras. Bundle 2 provides a document analysis where students must identify reasons for French and Spanish exploration. And here again we see the assessments for this bundle. Keep in mind they're ready to use in your IFD. At the end of the first 6 weeks, you'll begin the Spanish colonial era, although you won't finish this unit until the second 6 weeks. In this bundle, your students will learn key issues and events of the Spanish colonial era. Students will identify Spanish motivations for the establishment of the mission system and explain the significance of key individuals, events, and locations. They will build on their knowledge of the interaction between Native Americans and Europeans from the Age of Contact. Your students are going to love the Missions and Presidios Pear Deck and the sentence strip summaries that allow them to understand the purpose of the mission system. Well, this wraps up our first 6 weeks preview. For support and planning with the IFDs throughout the years, please contact your 7th grade social studies leaders on your campus about scheduling a content conversation push-in session with an instructional specialist during your PLC. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful first 6 weeks. All photos and documents in this presentation are property of Arlington ISD and McGraw-Hill Education.